Hey guys, James here. Thanks for coming back to the channel again. Today I'm going to be working on my personal Jeep. I've been super busy. I haven't brought a lot of videos to you guys in the last month or so. And to be honest, I got a little burnout with making videos, but I'm going to be hitting it hard here for 2020. Today I'm going to be working on some sidebars, some like tree bars, and a pre-runner bar for the WJ. I just finished making 3 more sets of these tire carriers, and I used my Jeep as a jig to get everything right, and shipping these out today as a matter of fact. So guys, thanks for coming back again. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share these videos. It really helps with the YouTube algorithms to keep the channel going, and I really appreciate it. Let's get started. All right guys, let's get into this. So I got these brackets that I designed laser cut. So this is going to get mounted right there. And it's got this little gusset that's going to match the inside curve of the pipe. So the pipe's going to bend out. So it'll kind of bend out here, like and come back. And I'll probably put a little kick in the bend here. And then I got 2 little brackets that bolt to these 2 existing holes here. So I will, so let's go get this bent. Oh yeah. I got that bent. So I did about a 45-degree bend. So basically, I'm going to run about 2 inches off of the Jeep, about like that. So I'm just going to get my trusty Sharpie here, kind of eyeball this, and I'm going to cut it out. Like that. So I'm probably just going to go cut this in the bandsaw. Right? I'm going to put about not much, maybe 10-degree bend. A little kink right here.
Alright, check it out. Hopefully you can hear me. Dave's working on the lathe over there. Anyways, look at that. So bam! So that little 10-degree kink there worked really good. So, alright, let's go ahead and I'll weld up the plate and tack it all together. And then I'll have to bring it over here and tack the plates on there so it fits real perfect. Alright, so I'll go check the fit and then I'll come back and weld it up. Looks pretty cool. My curve was off on my gusset, so I think I had set it up for a 5.5 inch radius, and this is a 4.5 inch radius die I use, so but I can fill that no problem. Tell me, Dave, why do you hate Christmas?
Are you recording?
Yes.
Everybody wants something.
Everybody wants something. That's true.
It's like,
And man, you're gonna be on the grill. All right, so I got Commandeer Dave here from his project, and I'm just gonna eyeball this baby. I'm gonna say right there. So we're just gonna temporarily put some of these self-drilling sheet metal screws in. Boosh!
skadoosh.
I like it. That looks pretty cool. Alright. I'm gonna have to go weld some nuts on the bottom of these, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I just welded on some nuts onto this plate. And now I'm gonna go ahead and slide these in there, bolt them in, and then I'll grab the welder, bring it over, and figure out what I gotta do there. Alright, so I got these bent, bolted in. So I'm just going to drag the welder over. Looks pretty good. That's going to go about like that. And I got these end caps from Barnett's. And I'll just weld that on there to finish that off real nice. So I guess I'll go drag the welder over. All right, I got it held over here. That looks really good. That looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and just tack this in place. What's nice about the TIG is that I don't have to worry about any sparks getting on the paint or anything, because it's pretty much spark free. I'm going to go ahead and put another tack on here, I think. The baby tack. Alright guys, check it out. Just picked these up from Powder Coater F&S Customs. I'll put a link in the description. Does great work. I just love it. I was a little worried that the powder coat buildup was going to make it difficult to slide in this bracket, and I actually woke up with a nightmare that it wasn't going to fit, honestly. So what you could do while you're fabricating, guys, is between this bracket that I had bolted on and this bracket, I could have put a couple of washers in there to act as shims to make this piece a little bit smaller, so that when you get the film buildup of the powder coat, when you get it back, it'll just slide right in just perfect. But it actually slid in just fine. It's tight, but it's in. So now what I need to do is anchor this back down over here. I'll drill these holes, take it back off. I'll put my inserts in, get those fastened down, and then I'll go ahead and re-drill these to the right size and step it up from there. So it's real easy for the drill to walk and then your hole to be off, so when you're doing the rib nuts. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, so I already got two holes here. I'm gonna go ahead and attach this back down. Just gently. I'm gonna drill holes here and here, and then I'll have to take this back off. Alright, so these are the inserts I'm putting in. Rib nuts, so it'll like squish it and hold it in place. That's how everything else is held on this thing. Alright, so I'm using my little rivet tool here. So you just open this up, thread the rivet down on, and there's some adjustments and stuff, but you stick it in the hole and just squeeze it. And then you undo it. So I'll do one here just to so you guys can see how it works. Boosh. So basically just squeezes it down and squeezes it down over that sheet metal. Alright, so I'm going to be using some button heads, stainless button heads. Alright, looks pretty cool. I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It helps with the algorithms with YouTube to keep my videos showing up on your feeds. If you got any suggestions or anything else I need to do to the Jeep, don't forget to leave a comment. And if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them for you as well. Peace out, guys. Sweet.